Hello, my name is Shanaya and I'm a young innovator at STEAM Varsity. Today I built a game on MIT App Inventor. This is my game, its name is Bug Eater. So here is a bug who eats an aphid. We can control the bug by using these buttons. Now let me show you its code. This is the code of the bug to move in different directions. And using this code, the bug eats the aphid and it will disappear. When your score is 10, then a new screen will appear with a trophy. Now let me show you the demo of my app. So this is the game.
Yay!